How to change bio on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps and how you can change bio on TikTok. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so I can guide you through. In order to change your bio on TikTok, first you want to go ahead and open a TikTok and head over to your profile. Once you're on your profile, you can see on my bio, I have just entered restart there. Now, how you can change it? Simply tap on edit profile option right there, and then you can see the bio option. Tap on it, and now you can go ahead and edit your bio and you can save it. So this is how you can easily change your bio on your TikTok account. Now if you want to remove or add links as well, the process is similar. All you gotta do is head over to your profile. From there, tap on edit profile and you can see the links option instead of bio. If you want to add links to bio, then you can paste it here and similarly type it in and then save it, and you're good to go. So as you can see, this is how you can easily edit bio. Hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe as well.